getting a raise. With AI time disabled, create subtitles as you speak, so you can present deaf people. Whoa, that's actually so caring. Why does Siri have subtitles related to Hello, oh my god, this guy seems to read people in your voice too. But ain't no way that's real. Figure that. I can read people in your voice. Fight underwater, you're gonna be dead. Oh wow, it's actually legit. You're getting a raise.